Sufishan, I welcome you too, along with your cousins who are doing this wonderful job in Mission Milk. What I want to know from you is, how do you handle operations? I am told that you are in charge of operations, and I want to know how you handle operations. How does your day go about?
Okay, so basically what we do is, one day prior we decide exactly where the milk has to go, which area the milk has to go, who has to distribute it, which volunteer we call milk angel. Each volunteer we call them as our milk angels.
Okay.
So where these milk angels are going to take the milk. So what these milk angels do is, they are a localite of every area. So these people, they go do their survey, they know how many houses there are, they know how many houses the milk should reach, which houses have children, which houses
Genuine requirement.
yeah, genuine
basically.
requirement. So they have this basic survey which they give it to us, and after that we decide how many liters should be going there. The other thing what we do is that we locate milk dairies in each of these areas, and then we contact these milk dairies, we transfer them money on an online payment, and then these milk angels of ours, they pick up the milk and they distribute it wherever it is required. And the initial days what we do is, whenever we have a new milk angel, either one of us goes with him for 2-3 days, trains them on the safety precautions that they have to take care of, all the COVID protocols they have to keep in mind, and we make sure they keep their social distancing, they wear their gloves, they wear their masks, and then we also make sure that लोग साथ आके पूरे एक जगह जमा नहीं होना, तो इसीलिए हम घर घर को जाके दूध पहुंचाते हैं. हाँ, डोर स्टेप डिलीवरी जैसे करते हैं.
So you monitor this on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, because milk every single day बाहर जा रहा है, इसीलिए.
So I would also like to know, what are the challenges you face in taking up this huge task?
जी. So sometimes what happens is कि लोग एकदम एक जगह आके जमा हो जाते हैं, जहाँ भी एकदम गाड़ी खोली दूध की तो एकदम लोग जमा हो जाते हैं. तो इस सिचुएशन में हम क्या करते हैं, हम उधर से निकल जाते हैं, क्योंकि क्राउड मैनेजमेंट एक बार निकल जाते हैं, फिर वो लोकलाइट्स के थ्रू हम वापस जाके क्राउड मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, उनको तसल्ली देते हैं कि आप टेंशन मत लो, आपके घर घर को आके देंगे, आप सिर्फ अपने दहलीज पे खड़े जाओ. We will reach out to them, don't worry. Yes. And sometimes we have issues like, कभी 100 लीटर्स लेके जाते हैं लेकिन रिक्वायरमेंट 200 लीटर्स का होता है, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में हमें उनको तसल्ली फिर देना चाहिए, कल आके हम आपको देंगे, डोंट वरी. यस.
So tell me one thing, 8 liter में how many children can consume that 1 liter of milk, the age group of children which you are providing milk?
So 1 liter of milk can be easily be distributed for a day between 3 to 4 children.
Would that be enough?
Yeah, that would be enough for one single day.
And where do you procure this milk from? Is it one brand or multiple brands?
Yeah, so we have chosen Nandini as a milk brand because it's a governmental brand. Also that ये नंदिनी के dairies जो हैं हर जगह हैं, so it's easier for us to find dairies in each area and distribute
those particular
it.
goods, you source it out from those local
procurement. Yes.
So now that you said you've touched lives of almost 30,000 children during this lockdown, how many areas approximately have you covered? Can you name a few areas, and what is your future plan of including new areas?
Okay, so far we've covered at least 20 areas by now.
Which part of Bangalore is
So this is more of north of Bangalore. We've started off with North Bangalore with the funds that we have. So when we increase our funds, hopefully inshallah we will even extend our help towards even south and central Bangalore and east Bangalore. So far we've also covered areas like Bellarli, Hegde Nagar, Saraparlia, Govindpur, and tried finding all these settlements wherever people cannot reach, people don't know about. So these are the kind of places that we are actually trying to reach, because government से तो आ रहा है लेकिन it's not coming, it's not enough. So these are the areas that we actually go and help.
गवर्नमेंट का जो आ रहा है, ये जो secluded isolated settlements है, वहाँ पे भी आ रहा है?
नहीं, so ऐसे जगह पे हम आते हैं. This is where we play a part, where we try to help and find these kind of areas where government help is not reaching them.
Outskirts of the city.
Yeah, outskirts of the city.
Okay.
So far.
It prompts me to ask you a question, that why the other children in the other parts of Bangalore, south, east, west, and all, why should they be deprived if only north is being done?
Exactly, we don't want them to be deprived. That is the only reason why we are even having this interview and creating awareness, that either each one of you can help Mission Milk, or please start it by yourself in your own area and your own locality, because a lot of children need milk out there, and if either you can help us or we will help you start it in your own area.
You will, if somebody wants to set up this kind of exercise there,
Yes.
if they contact you, are you willing to set up a model, a similar model for them to take it forward?
100%. We are ready to help them from how to start, how to raise funds. Initially, we will also help them, to go and distribute. We will
So I
supply
think
them.
the whole game is about funds here.
It's about funds and
money has to flow in if you have to serve the maximum
Yes.
amount of children.
Yes.
Thank you, Zulfishan.
Thank you so much for having me.
Feedback.